Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. You know, we had a little problem in our family with our precious cat. He was scratching up the furniture and everything that he shouldn't scratch. Well, that problem is solved with this cat scratcher from CHEERHOME Pets. Our kitty Scooter loves this scratcher, and I love that it's lightweight and easy to move around. You can have it upright or leaning in a corner, or you can have it long side down for a comfortable place for your cat to play and lounge. It came very nicely packaged, and everything that you need to put it together, including easy to read instructions, were all included. The scratching mat is attached in several places with strong adhesive tape, and I felt secure that the mat would not go anywhere despite the abuse that my little cat has put it through. I also love that we've had this scratching mat for several weeks, and he uses it all the time, and it shows little signs of wear. And then when it does start to show some wear, the mat is replaceable, so that's lovely. It also comes with adhesive padding on the bottom so it won't scratch my wood floors. So if you're sick of your cat scratching your furniture, then I highly recommend this L-shaped cat scratcher from CHEERHOME Pets. And that's my point of view.